Hey folks, you're standing in your backyard with a handful of seeds no bigger than freckles, and 6 weeks from now, those same seeds are stuffing $300 straight into your pocket. Not hype, not clickbait, real cash from real buyers at your local farmer's market. I'm talking about 7 seed-started crops that nobody expects to blow up, but they do, every single November. These aren't the same tired tomatoes and squash every booth piles high. These are the quiet money makers that restaurants text you about at midnight, begging for another tray. Stick around because I'm spilling every secret, and if you bail early, you'll miss the one crop that turned an Ohio mom into a $1,200 earner with 4 plastic trays and a sunny window. Let's roll. Most weekends, I wander farmers markets from Portland to Pittsburgh, and I see the same heartbreak. Awesome gardeners with killer produce, yet they're scraping together gas money while packing half their harvest back home.
Why?
They're growing the safe stuff everyone else grows. Meanwhile, 3 booths down, one savvy grower shows up with pint baskets so gorgeous that customers line up before the bell rings. Those pint baskets hold seed-started crops started right now for a November harvest that sells out by brunch. We're talking $5, $10, even $15 a pound, not bulk bin prices. And the craziest part? You can kick this off tonight with stuff you already own. No greenhouse, no fancy lights, no green thumb degree required. I'm handing you the exact 7 crops plus every hack to make them market gold mines. But first, let's meet the tiny green rocket that starts the whole payday. Microgreens are the undisputed champ of seed-started crops, and if you're not growing them, you're literally leaving cash on the table. One 10 by 20 tray, that's the size of a cookie sheet, holds $200 worth of microgreens at restaurant pricing. Chefs pay $6 an ounce for the peppery arugula micros or the sweet sunflower shoots because they are prettier than edible flowers. Start them indoors under any LED shop light or even a south-facing window. Sprinkle the seeds thick, keep the soil damp like a wrung-out sponge, and in 10 to 14 days, you're harvesting with scissors. Sell them live in the tray and customers carry home the roots still growing. Talk about Instagram gold. But here's the rookie mistake 99% of newbies make. They harvest too early and leave half the flavor behind. Wait until the first true leaves pop. That's when the money flavor explodes. Sarah in Columbus ignored that tip, harvested early, and still cleared $800 in 3 weekends. Imagine what happens when you nail it. Now hold up, before we jump to the next crop, I need to ask, would you grow something that looks like a ruby jewel and sells for $12 a pound? Because that's waiting 2 minutes from now. But first, let's lock in the Radicchio game plan. Radicchio is the red-headed stepchild of the lettuce world that nobody plants, which is exactly why it's a market goldmine. One tight head the size of a softball pulls $10 to $12 at upscale grocers and Italian joints. Start the seeds in 6-pack cells, transplant when they hit 4 leaves, and space them 12 inches apart. They love cool November nights, so even Zone 5 growers harvest right up to Thanksgiving. The deep wine color screams holiday centerpieces, and the bitter crunch pairs with every roasted meat on the menu. Pro move, blanch the heads under an upside-down bucket for 3 days before harvest. The leaves turn creamy white inside, and the price jumps another $3. Restaurants fight over that contrast on the plate. Okay, quick reset. Drop a comment right now with the emoji that matches your growing zone, because I'm curious who's watching from the snowy spots. We just covered microgreens and radicchio, but the next seed-started crop is the one that doubles your output with one stupid, simple trick. Heirloom cherry tomatoes started indoors in November. Laugh at frost and pump out fruit until Christmas. Pick varieties like sun gold or black cherry, the ones that taste like candy. Start them in 4-inch pots under cheap grow lights. Pinch the tops at 4 weeks to force bushy growth, and you'll hang 25 fruits per plant. Farmer's market price? $8 a pint. Easy. One plant fills 3 pints. Do the math. $75 per plant in holiday gift baskets. The doubling trick? Side dress with worm castings every 10 days. The plants explode sideways and fruit sets double. I watched Mike in Toronto fill a Subaru trunk with glowing orange orbs and clear $2,000 in one Saturday.
Your turn.
Spicy peppers are the dark horse nobody sees coming in November, yet hot sauce makers and wing joints stock up for Super Bowl season. Start dragon cayenne or lemon drop peppers in soil blocks, keep them at 75 degrees for germination, and pot up once true leaves show. They crave warmth, so a heat mat under the tray is your best $20 investment. Harvest at full color, string them on twine, and sell ristras for $30 a bundle. Talk about curb appeal. One grower in Austin texted me a photo of an empty table at 11A. With the caption "Pepper money, baby." That's the power of seed started crops timed for holiday heat. Guess in the comments what you think it is? I'll spill in 3 minutes. First up, culinary lavender. Bakers, tea blenders, and soap crafters lose their minds over homegrown buds. Start Grosso or Munstead seeds on the surface of the seed mix, barely cover, and mist daily. They germinate slowly, 14 to 21 days, but once rolling, they're bulletproof. Harvest when half the florets open, dry hanging in paper bags, and sell quarter-pound bags for $18 each. One raised bed, 50 plants, $900 dried and packaged. Tie a ribbon, slap a cute label, done. Roman chamomile is the sleeper hit that smells like apple orchards and sells to tea shops faster than they can brew it. Start the seeds shallow, keep moist, and thin to 4 inches. The daisy-like flowers dry in one afternoon on a window screen and fill sachets that fetch $15 an ounce at craft fairs. Mix with your lavender for sleepy time blends and double the price. One grower in Vermont cleared 5 figures mailing tea blends nationwide, all from seeds started crops in a 10 by 10 hoop house. Drumroll, the $1,200 crop is purple basil. Yes, basil, but not the grocery store stuff. Purple Ruffles basil grows dark as eggplant and tastes like licorice candy. Start thickened trays, harvest baby leaves at 3 weeks, and sell clamshells for $10 each to cocktail bars making purple gin fizzes. 4 trays, 40 clamshells, $1,200 1 month.
Mind blown.
Let's lock in the seed, starting hack so nothing flops. Grab 99-cent seed trays from the dollar store, fill with seed starting mix, soak overnight, then sow. Bottom water only, no overhead sprinkler that causes damping off. Cover with a clear lid until sprouts poke, then pop under $20 shop lights on a 14-hour timer. Keep 65 to 75 degrees. A yoga mat on a heating pad works. Germination jumps 90%. Selling is where the real money hides. Set your farmer's market table like a boutique, black tablecloth, chalkboard signs with sassy names like Microgreen money shots. Price is 20% above the guy next door. People buy confidence. Snap pics on your phone with natural light, post stories tagging local chefs, and watch orders roll in. Bundle microgreens with Radicchio and a lavender sachet for $35 and perceived value skyrockets. Your backyard is sitting on a November gold rush. 7 seed-started crops, microgreens, Radicchio, heirloom cherries, spicy peppers, lavender, chamomile, and the purple basil bombshell. Start 1 tray tonight. Thank me when the cash hits your palm. Drop your favorite crop in the comments, smash subscribe for weekly market gold mine alerts, and let's turn dirt into dollars together. See you at the next one.